Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new here, hi, my name is Sarah. I make a lot of special effects tutorials, some beauty tutorials as I have done today, and a little bit of DIY in between. For today's look, I'm a little bit late on the bandwagon, but I wanted to use the electric palette that I haven't used, I think, since a special effects tutorial last year, maybe for the Grinch that I did. This time I actually used quite a few eyeshadows from here, so if you guys want to know how I got this look, then just keep watching.
Damn, Sarah back at it again with them voiceovers. I'm using NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil and Milk as my base, as I usually do with vivid and bright colors to help them be as bright as possible. Then I'm blending that over the entire eyelid. Then the star of the show, Urban Decay's Electric Palette, blending Freak into my crease with a Morphe M330 brush. And then taking a thrash and putting that all over my actual lid with a dense packing brush. Then I'm slowly blending it up and into Freak. Back in with the M330 to blend them more seamlessly together. Next up is NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Rocky Mountain Green, and this baby is going on my waterline. You guys know how much I love to match my waterline in with the rest of the eye look to bring everything together. Using a pencil brush from ColourPop, I'm dragging Freak below the Jumbo Eye Pencil that I just put down. Then with my Morphe M507, I'm bringing Thrash to make the bottom of my eye match the top of it. Back with the pencil brush to add some revolution to my inner tear duct, and then blend that slightly towards and then into Freak. And my tried and true, as always, Sephora 24-hour waterproof liner in Black Lace. And lastly, NYX's Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll know that this is my Lips But Better color.
So that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you haven't already and you'd want to, subscribe down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!